and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a nail art tutorial for you, as you can tell by my nail being in the screen. Anyway, I thought I'd do a wintry look today, and this one is actually quite easy, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off this time around with, as usual, an acrylic nail and a normal nail polish, which means you can easily do this on normal nails, like natural nails, I should say, as well. This one is by Color Club. I'll leave every product, or at least I'll leave a list of every product I used below in the video description as always. But admittedly, this nail polish is extremely old by now, so I don't know if they still sell it, but you know, any icy, metallic, bluish nail polish will do. I'm just going to apply 2 layers of this, letting it dry in between the layers, just to make sure it reaches full opacity. Then once the nail is completely dry, it's time to start painting. And by the way, I really love how metallic this nail polish is. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to use acrylic paint for painting. You could use nail polish if you don't have acrylic paint. However, do keep in mind that nail polish is going to ruin your nail art brushes quicker, because you're going to have to clean them with acetone or nail polish remover as opposed to washing them with water. Because water doesn't work with nail polish, but it does work with acrylic paint, so there's that. But yeah, if for some reason you don't want to use acrylic paint, or if you don't have acrylic paint, you can also just use a white nail polish for this, is the point. And I'm just using nail art brushes that I got off eBay for this kind of thing, and I always chop most of the hairs off. They're really cheap brushes, so it really doesn't matter. That's something I always recommend, just go for very cheap nail art brushes if you're going to, you know, customize them, because then if it does sort of go wrong, or if the brush doesn't survive the customization, then at least it won't matter as much if it was cheap anyway. Yeah. And I'm just going to paint, basically I just did a very easy snow crystal up on top there, basically just a star shaped snowflake. Yeah. And then the other one is going to get a little bit more detail. Of course you can use, you know, you can add as many snowflakes as you want. In whatever shapes you want, you can make it as intricate as you like. I kept it quite easy this time around. Well, not necessarily easy maybe, but at any rate I wanted to keep it like, as opposed to my usual sketchy style, I wanted to keep it sort of clean and, you know, very, almost like stickers today. So I decided to not add too much detail and really focus on getting the image just as nice and sharp as I could get it. By the way, here in the Netherlands we haven't really yet had any snow yet. Like, it is usually, like, it doesn't snow that often in the Netherlands to begin with. Mostly we just have 3 seasons of autumn. And then a few days of summer. Yeah. But actually, quite frankly, even though I love the look of snow and ice, I don't actually mind that we didn't get that, or we just don't get that ever a lot. Yeah. If that makes any sense. Anyway, because as most of you who've been following me for longer probably know by now, my day job is working as a postman, and that's significantly easier if you're not constantly slipping over snow and ice, because that would just be very annoying. So yeah, I really don't mind that we don't really get much snow here. I'm also going to add some, just, you know, tiny dots as other snowflakes more in the distance. Doesn't need to be too intricate, I still want to be able to see the background, so I'm not adding too many. And after that I'm going to do a little bit of a outline. I didn't actually let this dry for any time, because by the time you're going to be finished with the second snowflake, the first one is going to be pretty much dry, so the colors won't merge too much or at all. For some reason the brush ended up looking mostly blue, but I actually added a little bit of blue to a lot of black and used that for the outline. And I'm using a brush that is literally like 2 or 3 hairs left. very, very thin because obviously I don't want dark spots all over my snowy white snowflakes. So yeah, all I can say is just use a very thin brush and take your time, don't rush. Really take your time to do this calmly and don't make mistakes. Yeah, that's basically it, because, you know, the outline I really feel like, especially with a pale painting on top of a pale backdrop, the outline really can make or break the image. Like, it can really just, you know, help it to another level. But it can also completely destroy the entire effort if it doesn't go well. So yeah, no pressure or anything. But yeah, just take your time with this. And then it is time to let everything dry fully, and after that we can apply top coat. I'm using the Catrice Matte and More top coat, which is sort of a pearlescent matte top coat. I do like the pearlescent shine for this particular look, but I also still haven't gotten around to buying a normal matte top coat. I do actually have a matte gel top coat, but I prefer to not combine gel and normal nail polishes because sometimes they just don't play nicely together. So yeah, I'm using this one. And that's already the final step. So here we have the final results. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button, it would really help me out. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can always subscribe to my YouTube channel. I actually only do nail art once every 2 weeks. Other than that, I mostly post a lot of makeup tutorials. That's really like my main thing. At any rate, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!